Hey, how you doing? This is Brother Mike. Gonna show you a couple new mods we did on the Cycles Buzzraw. This is the hugest thing, man. Is welded this 3/4 piece in there and painted it, and you could see it's just a sweet deal, man. Look at that bad boy. That's nice weld. That just stiffened this hole right up. I could do jumps like nobody's business now, and I ain't got to worry about the handlebars pulling. And then one other thing, I do a lot of off-roading with this, and this tiny little bracket right here broke. Very skinny piece of metal. You could see the piece I put in there. It's not an exact fit, but I just did a quick fix. Way thicker piece, and that mounts right there real nice. So that's done. I am liking the 40-tooth sprocket on here. I've gotten used to that, so I'm leaving that on there. That's good. And these V tires, I don't know if I've just been beating on this thing or what, but these V tires, I got 200 miles on this bike, and these tires are just about bald. I don't know if they're supposed to be like that or what, but here's the mileage. 201.8 miles, and these things are just about bald. So I don't know if I'm gonna go with V tires again or if I'm gonna get something else, but that's it. Those are the new mods. Thanks for watching, and God bless.